Look at the size of
Look at
that
them
thing.
fancy Grandmaster, boys. It sparkles.
Are you streaming right now?
Nope.
The true enemy of humanity is disorder.
No, he's gonna throw our game.
Oh,
He doesn't
nice,
have the
Symmetra.
public ridicule.
Damn. No fucking faith.
Look at the size of that
I
thing.
think
Need someone to tuck you in?
Also, go fair.
goes on.
This? I don't know how to pronounce your name, but go fair. Thank you for the sub, man.
Incoming in 30
Turret
seconds.
online. I will shield you.
Probably put up turrets faster so that way I could actually, you know, have 6 when the game starts instead of 4. But whatever.
Look at the size of that thing.
Shield.
Are you
Shield matrix.
practicing
Everyone shielded? I think we're good.
this hero for a tournament or what?
Turret deployed.
See, no one understands.
Seagull, are you practicing for a tournament?
One. Attackers incoming.
They're like offended that I'm practicing or picking Symmetra. I'm offended that they're offended that I'm picking Symmetra.
Order from
They don't understand.
my sentry was destroyed. Sentry deployed.
Look at that. Already got ult piece, dude.
Our shield's breaking.
Look at the size of that thing.
Genji on the flank. Yeah. Oh, nice.
Oh,
Teleporter
Thunder,
online.
Reinhardt.
Remove swiftly.
Orb on right bar. Right hand. Scored on Mark.
Where's he as ulti? 100%.
Good job.
Sentry turret placed.
Enter regen shield. Shield's broken. Shield's broken.
The Winston trying to clear out my turrets. So the Genji can get in.
No, no need to.
Oh, they're actually pushing my side hull? That's my side hull, man. That's a turret hull.
Scored on one. Scored on Genji.
My ultimate is ready. Let's do this.
Oh, they're coming in close. Careful.
Just scored on Tracer.
Keep pushing.
That's good.
Oh, he's just gonna ult me.
Oh, is she going off the map?
Oh, shit.
You reloading, bro? What's going on?
In place.
My ultimate is ready. Let's do this.
Also, Tracer's probably going top in a second, is he? Is he up here? Doesn't look like it.
Fire at will.
Be good.
Nice.
I heard him.
Alright. Yo, listen. I'll fucking flank. I'll stun the Reinhardt and then you ulti, okay?
Someone's on point.
Somebody's on.
I'll stun the Reinhardt and then you ulti, okay? Ready?
Alright.
Wait, chill. You ready?
No, I don't want to ult Reinhardt.
Tracer.
Alright, go baby! Where's that ulti at?
Everyone is protected.
That guy, man, he's trying to set up the play. That's actually a play, by the way.
Destroyed. The
He
path
he finally found my telly. He's been useless that entire time looking for it. So the play he's talking about is, it's like, okay, I set up the play by flashbanging the Reinhardt shield, and then you ult the entire team sitting behind the Reinhardt shield. That's what he's trying to set up, but the other guy isn't falling for it.
My defenses
He's dead.
weakened.
No. Oh shit.
From light to gloom.
Shiny.
Turret deployed.
Is anyone dead?
Turret was destroyed. An
Come on, he's
exceptional
1 HP. Fuck
performance.
my life.
Teleporter online. I have opened perfection.
They're in the left
Intruder
house.
detected.
Seagull up here.
You are shielded.
30 seconds.
Genji on the left hand. Just scored on Genji.
Shiny.
Turret in place.
Genji's going backstab.
Tracer on the point.
trying to find you.
If they have to go play right now, I should put my turrets down here.
Do not let up. Victory.
He killed my turret just on the charging by. What a dick.
Discord on Mercy.
Oh, nice. He got the ult.
The way is
Can
closed.
you help here? No, we got this.
Shield matrix. You're powered up. Get in there.
It's friggin' go time.
Fire at will.
Look at that. Gold damage, gold limbs. Where's the faith?
Score 0-0. Switching sides.
Also, Symmetra on offense, or getting boosted like that, is legit. You actually kill the entire team. Hellion? Just donated $3. Congrats on Grandmasters, loving your stream. Any quick tips for a fresh Diamond Ana player? Ana's so hard to play. I don't know, there's not one thing anyone can improve on with Ana. It's like you can improve on like better aim, figure out when to scope or unscope, figure out your heal nade timing, have better sleep darts, because sleep is really hard to hit sometimes. Like, I think one of the most important parts though is like you can actually just duo queue with a Genji player and just boost him on cooldown. Every time he has sword, like that's an easy way to like carry yourself. That's what Rolf did. So Rolf and Ultima Web. Rolf was he finished rank 1 last season as Zen. And all he did was, for the most part, if I remember correctly, he queued a lot with Ultima Web, who was a Genji player for his team, and he just kept Orba and Ultima Web for days, and they just queued together a lot. It worked well. Also, I'd try that out. Also, Cake, going $3 says, "Rip me, Seagull. I played the shit laptop, gets 30 or 40 FPS in low settings. Hit Diamond last season, so I wish I had a good PC." Yeah, there's a lot of input lag at that FPS. I don't know if it like super help out your rank, but it sure feels a lot nicer to play, and it just restricts your hero pool. Like trying to play McCree with that FPS feels nearly impossible.
McCree would be fine too.
So there's a third foreign spawn? Yeah, you know that. I mean, it's technically, what, first, second, third, this fourth? I don't know.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's try this.
Attack commences.
Holy shit, that's a lot of damage. I wasn't paying attention at all.
Guess that shit.
So Junkrat putting in side hall, huh?
Alright, let's go ahead.
Their shield's already dead.
Shield's ready.
This is why you wait.
Alright, let's try and get it.
Shit, Mercy healing is too good, man. Damn, I was trying to go there, man. To go up and gank the Junkrat. I should have gone down below, though.
Alright, let's fall back.
Anyway, Kexi, $22 says, "How many games do you won in a row now? I feel like it's all about the win streak." I don't know. I have to think about it. I want to say, is it really win streak bonuses, though? I honestly have no idea. I barely play rank that much, but I could see that being a thing. It used to be a thing.
Just push it Raka. Jumper with me. I will do. I mean,
Used to be a thing back in the first implementation. I don't know if it still is. Oh man, Fire deflected that. Yeah, this Coretta be pretty weak.
Nanoboost administered.
Double.
Look at the size of that thing.
Nice.
Where's the team at?
There's a man here.
Shit. Oh no! No triple jump. Feels bad, man. He's missing! He missed his left clicks. That's always a good thing. When the May misses, he frees me.
Round 2 complete. Final. Commence attack on objective B.
But Deep Blue, donate $20. It's good stream, Mr. Gold. Could we see some Pro Zarya or Harambe? Maybe.
Play of the match.
Fire at will.
Ooh. Juicy. Damn, even with the Pro emote, is it self-commend because it's a Symmetra card? See, I would pro Zarya or Harambe. I think I actually usually play a decent amount of Zarya and Winston, just maybe not today. I played Winston definitely for one game today, I think. Pretty sure. Not 100% sure though. Also, Rosaline X Music just reached up for 4 months. What's up? It says 4 months, who dis? It's been a while. Thanks for 4 months. Also, Bill resub for 11 months is Cutie Goal XOXO. Thanks, Bill. Appreciate it, man. And Nidus the Assassin resub for 6 months. How many points did I just get?